What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So as you can clearly see in the title and thumbnail of this video, there's going to be some changes going on to the car. What changes, you might be asking? In this video so far, it's going to be removing the side stripes or side graphics, whatever you want to call it, on the car. It's time. I really wanted to get it done. I have something new in the works, and also a video after this, maybe next week, is going to be a collaboration video. So I'm going to show you guys how I take off vinyl on cars. I haven't done this in a long time, but stick around and check out the video. And yeah, we're going to be using a heat gun that I got off of Temu. See how well that works. But yeah, we're going to be taking off the side stripes of the car. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before we get into it, go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified when my videos do come out. And yeah, there should be some more videos. Maybe a video between this and the next video is going to be a video of why I haven't uploaded. It is a personal thing. I don't like putting personal stuff on the channel, but I feel like I owe you guys an explanation of why I haven't been uploading, and my lack of, I guess you would say, enthusiasm and drive to do stuff. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into taking off these graphics. So if you guys remember, I put these, well, I say I, but a buddy of mine put these on. It took a long time. I got this off of some site called Yellow Jacket. People liked it. I liked it. But it is time for a change. So I'm going to go ahead. It is very, very hot right now. Go ahead and take off all of these geometric, I guess, shapes. And yeah, it's time for a change. Let's go ahead and get started. I don't know where I'm going to start at, but I do want to try one side off, maybe this one right here. See how well that, because the car is hot, so you know, so far it's pretty easy. That was very easy. Maybe I don't need the heat gun. This material is very, very garbage. So yeah, let's see how far we can get. Well, so far this is just, don't mind that. This is just what I've taken off on the one side. So you can clearly see there is a dirt line of where the vinyl used to be. I mean, look at that. She looks back to normal. Can't wait. So this is the side I just got done just by peeling it with no heat. This side is going to be probably the same. I didn't use heat on the other side, but I mean, later on tonight she's going to get a wash. But you can, hopefully you guys can see this. Like, you can see like where like the vinyl was. I've had this on for about a year, if that. Hopefully you guys can see that. Got some new things coming to the car, like I said. So next is going to be taking this off. Maybe I'll set up the tripod and so you guys can see me do that in time lapse. So let's go ahead and do that. let's clean up our mess here. Get out of the sun because it is hot. This way. Now, look at the after. Like I said, right here, it's no fault of the vinyl and me putting on vinyl, but right here, there's clear coat being lifted. So that means the body shop did not put enough clear coat. So I don't really want to mess with that too much. But there's also like other like little nibs and stuff like that in the paint right here. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. My phone actually overheated. So here's what, basically back to normal. And like I was saying, I'm not sure if it popped up in the video, but right here is a little bubble where the clear coat is lifting. And then there was something else somewhere right here. Like right here is a bunch of like dirt nibs. If you guys can see that. It's like dirt, yeah, right here, dirt nibs. So I gotta go figure out how to get my car or my door repainted. But other than that, she's all back to normal until we get the next livery. The next livery is gonna be really, really cool. I'm gonna keep the I'm gonna keep the silver top, but I mean, she looks back to normal. I just gotta give her a good wash, and then she'll look back to normal. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. But remember, please like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified when my videos do come out. And in the filler video between this and whatever happens now, of the painting, door being painted and ceramic coating, I will explain why I have been kind of absent. And I haven't been going to car shows and car meets and stuff like that. But with all that being said, guys, stay focused, guys. Be safe. I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace out.